This video will show the process of how to get registered to bid for an online auction with Lippard Auctioneers. Once you arrive at lippardauctions.com, you can scroll down to see all of the upcoming auctions. You can see if they are online only or live on site with online bidding available. There is information about each auction, like when it will end, some of the items that are in the auction, where the property is located, the auction location, and the date that the auction will end. When you are ready to look at the individual items in an auction, you'll go down to the button that says Online Bidding and click there. It will then bring up the catalog of all the individual items. You will first want to note the information at the top that talks about when the auction ends, the pickup location, and the loadout times. You can also find additional information under auction details that gives info like who to call for more information, checkout times, location, buyer's premium, and description. You can go back to View Catalog and then go through each individual lot. It will show you the amount of money that has been bid on each item, the amount of time left in this auction. You can click on each individual lot and go through more pictures and see a more detailed description. Rolling stock many times will have videos available that you can watch. Once you are ready to bid on an item, you will first need to register with the high bid platform that Lippard Auctioneers uses. You can find the Register to Bid button here or at the top of the page. You will click Register to Bid, and if you have not registered before, you will want to go down and find the Register Here button and click. You will then need to enter an email address for your account. You will then enter your email in the first line and re-enter it in the second line, confirming the emails match. Then click Check Email. You'll then go to step 2 and complete your account info. You fill out name, address, phone number. You'll then be able to choose a username and password, as well as confirming your email is correct. A box will then pop up where you will be prompted to add a payment method. A payment method is required to be added before bidding on an online auction. You will click Add a Payment Method and then add the credit card information. You will also be able to type any notes to the auctioneer, as well as look over the terms and conditions. Click the box acknowledging that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, and then click Submit Registration. You will then be ready to bid. Once you finish the registration process, you will then see a message here that confirms you are indeed registered for the auction. When you're ready to bid on an item, you come down and find the bid button and click on it. A box will then pop up to confirm your bid. You will be able to see the current bid price of the item here. The next bidding increment will automatically be filled into this box. You can either confirm that bid or add a higher number. This is called a max bid. The auction software will then bid on your behalf up to this amount, only in the event that another user also bids on that item. Below, you will be able to see the total bid amount with the buyer's premium factored in. After bidding on an item, the lot will then show up green or red. If it shows up in green, it will confirm you are winning the bid on that lot. If it shows up in red, that means that you have been outbid for that lot.